Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, August 29th. In the NASDAQ market, you can see a totally miscombobulated market. It's not really sure what to do. We've had information coming out from the Fed that really led the market both ways. I look for a neutral day on Monday. This is a neutral setting. Next Friday is going to be the big focus for that market, and I'm looking for a sideways market there for Monday. Well, the US dollar got weaker and then it got stronger. That's what you're seeing here as the euro came back off. I look for further movement to the downside, but a far more conservative range on Monday. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if we stay inside of Friday's range. Also over here in the Aussie dollar, it did trade above its bullish level, and the difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $200 a contract, and in the Canadian dollar it also did the same thing, traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change between the bullish and bearish levels here is $150 a contract. In both of these markets I do look for continued pressure to the downside, but not dramatic moves. Let's take a look at what's going on with those interest rates though. Here in those markets we got weaker. This is what I was looking for in the previous session as we talked about, especially in the 10-year notes. I like this behavior. I don't look for the same on Monday. I am looking for a neutral to lower prices for this coming week, and what we'd want to see in this market is a range at least to stay inside of Friday's action. Let's move on though, and let's take a look at what's going on with the metals. Here we see gold was a screamer as it shot to the upside but failed to hold on to those gains. And the difference between that bullish and bearish level in that market, magnitude wise, is $2,200 a contract. Over here in the silver market, it did also rally above its bullish level. The magnitude change between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $6,050 per contract. I look for sideways moves in both gold and silver. Let's move on and take a look at energy. Crude oil also got stronger before it got weaker as the US dollar got stronger. The magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $450 a contract. I'm looking for a sideways to lower market on Monday. And in the grains, we can see soybeans got weaker, but it's an unchanged to lower kind of behavior we're looking for. But this kind of action can turn bullish. Fundamentally, I think the jury's out on whether or not we have enough supply when it comes to soybeans in terms of estimates. And so right now for this market, I'm looking for an unchanged type day on Monday to possibly higher. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again. Have a wonderful weekend, and in the meantime, take care.